strong jab. Potter is, but Joseph with that tight deep
jab as well. It appears that
I like that feinting. You step in.
He's surprised that Potter
He said with the new team, his kicks and knees going back.
that 81-inch reach, the same as hand to the rib cage.
Shape for this fight. I can just guarantee you there'll be. Oh! He's gonna stay technical.
Oh, and he's down for a second.
Oh, jab. Oh. Everything Butters throws, just power. Oh!
Ready to go. One more knockdown and this fight is over.
Oh my God!
Hey,
He's out!
9. This is the biggest upset.
Argadouche, the Chelsea.